Hi, I'm Eileen from ET Speak From Home. This is the Jump Rocket Triple Shot. Inside this box, this is what it comes with. So I'm just going to show you how to connect it. So first of all, this is the right at the end corner. So what you're going to do is clip this in. Okay, once you clip it in, you can see at the back here where you can angle your rocket. So next we get this. If you see this black thing, you just need to push it right in. Give it a push. So once you clip it, it should be in. Next, another connector. And then connect this in. Next, screw this in. So once this is screwed in, you can clip this. So look at the bottom here, there's some pointy bit, so just face this towards the bottom and give it a click. So once everything connects, you can put the rocket. The rocket is made from foam, so have to be quite careful the foam here, because this kind of stick it on, so it might come off anytime that if the kids pull it. So just like this one, I haven't even touched it, this foam is already come loose. So now just gonna plug this in and then gonna launch it outside.
3, 2, 1, let go!